This video will guide you how you can add mathematical equations in MyCBSE Guide test generator. There are two options. One is you can do it manually and other is you can use demo.verish.com to create mathematical equations. So let's start how we can do it manually. For this, click on the scale and pencil icon and then click anywhere on the question screen. You will find this summation button. Click on this summation button and delete the equation already given here, and now you can add your equation. For this we will put this right slash and then frac, then curly bracket 20, curly bracket close and open again 40 and curly bracket close. This will write 20 by 40. This way you can write a fractional number. And let's understand how you can do other things also. To write a division we will write 24 space right slash div space 3 equals 8. Click OK. It is added. To add square root, we will put this right slash and then sqrt space 5. So it shows root 5. It is not possible to learn all these shortcuts. So for this you can use this text documentation. Let me click it. It shows you all the mathematical symbols and their latex format. For example, if you want to put this implies sign, you will write right slash slash imply. The same way, if you want to add not equal to, then for this sign, you will write slash neq. There are a lot of other mathematical equations that you can create using these symbols and shortcut formulas. So let's take one example. We put this down arrow, go back to our page and write down arrow. It shows the down arrow. If I click OK, it will start showing down arrow here. So this way you can add mathematical equations manually. Other way to do it easily is using this website demo.verish.com, and it is very easy to add mathematical equations. Let's take an example. We will go to this website demo.verish.com and then you will find this page. Click on this for developers, click for developers and then scroll this page down to this compatible with Math, ML and LaTeX. Here you can write mathematical equations easily like this. If you want to put 1 by 2, you will write 1 and then 2, it is done. The same way, if you want to add other mathematical symbols and equations, you can click these tabs and get whatever you want to add. There are lot of mathematical equations that can be used. For example, if you want to add this, then write 1 and then write I, you can do it easily. Let's take one example of matrix also. 2 3 3 4. Now this way you can add matrices also. So once you add this mathematical equation here, copy this part, this latex part you need to copy. Click Ctrl C or just copy it and go back to our editor and click wherever you want to put this equation and then click on this summation button. Delete whatever is given there, then click Ctrl V to paste it and it is done. Click OK. The same way, if you want to add some other equations also, go back to this Verish page, add your mathematical equation like this and then I copy it from here and go back to our page, click where I want to put this equation, then click this summation button, then delete it, Ctrl V paste, then click OK. It is done. So you can write complex mathematical equations using this demo.verish.com also. The same way, if you want to add math equation in option part, click on this pencil and scale icon, click anywhere on the screen and then click this summation button, add the equation and click OK, then click save. The mathematical equation will be added. You can do the same in explanation part also. For this, click on this pencil and scale icon, click anywhere on the screen, then this mathematical equation, delete it. Let's take it from demo.verish.com, copy it and go back, paste, click OK. It is added. Click save and the question is saved.